In this video, we're going to checking out 5 best mini adjustable wrench you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly, reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best mini adjustable wrench in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Channellock 810PW 10-inch adjustable wrench. What sets the 810PW apart from a standard adjustable wrench is its reversible jaw. On one side, you get a smooth jaw for standard nuts and bolts. Flip it around and it becomes a serrated pipe wrench jaw capable of gripping rounded or soft surface materials like pipes and fittings. This is particularly useful for plumbers, HVAC techs, and mechanics who often need both tools within the same job. Switching between the smooth and serrated jaw is simple and secure. The jaw fits tightly once reversed, and it doesn't wobble or shift during use, something not all hybrid wrenches can claim. This design makes it ideal for quick fixes, on-the-go repairs, or compact toolkits where space is limited. The handle has a slim, ergonomic shape that fits well in hand, and the wrench's overall design allows for a strong grip without much slippage. The pipe wrench jaw, in particular, bites well into metal pipes, providing excellent torque for loosening stubborn fittings. The 10-inch length offers a great balance between torque and portability. It can comfortably handle both small household tasks and more demanding professional work. The adjustment mechanism is smooth and precise, with clearly marked measurements etched onto the jaw to help size up fasteners quickly. Our second best mini adjustable wrench is Irwin VISE-GRIP adjustable wrench. Whether you're tackling plumbing projects, mechanical repairs, or general maintenance, this set offers reliable performance and user-friendly features. It's well worth the investment for anyone who needs dependable adjustable wrenches that will last for years. Each wrench features an extra wide handle with Irwin's Pro Touch grips, which offer superior comfort and reduce hand fatigue, especially useful during long jobs or when applying significant torque. The handles are well balanced, and the grips provide excellent control, even in greasy or wet conditions. This makes them ideal not just for mechanical work, but also for plumbing, automotive repairs, and general home maintenance. The 12-inch wrench, in particular, provides a great amount of torque for larger bolts and nuts, while the 6-inch is compact enough for tight spaces or smaller tasks. This 4-piece set includes adjustable wrenches in the following sizes: 6-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch. Each wrench is capable of handling both SAE and metric measurements, thanks to dual scale markings on the jaws. This feature makes it incredibly convenient when working across different systems, eliminating the guesswork and streamlining your workflow. The adjustment mechanisms are smooth and precise. The knurled worm gear allows for easy, accurate jaw size changes with minimal backlash or wobbling. The jaws stay aligned under pressure, giving you a solid grip on fasteners and minimizing rounding. Third pick in our list is Lichamp 4-piece CRV adjustable wrench. One of the standout features of this set is the chrome vanadium CRV steel construction, which is known for its excellent strength, toughness, and resistance to wear and corrosion. These wrenches are drop forged, adding even more strength and structural integrity, making them suitable for repeated high torque use. The black oxide finish is another nice touch. It not only adds to the rugged aesthetic, but also offers extra protection against rust, making this set suitable for tough environments like garages, job sites, and toolboxes that see frequent use and exposure to the elements. The jaws on these adjustable wrenches are wider than standard, allowing you to work with a broader range of fastener sizes. This feature adds flexibility, especially when you don't have access to a full socket or wrench set. The laser-etched scale markings in both SAE and metric units are crisp and easy to read, making it simple to set your desired size accurately. The knurled adjustment knobs work smoothly, and the jaw stays locked firmly in place once adjusted, no slipping or shifting during use. This precision makes them perfect for automotive tasks, home plumbing, and mechanical assembly jobs. Each wrench has a slim, ergonomic handle design that provides a secure and comfortable grip without unnecessary bulk. Number 4 in our side is Klein Tools Adjustable Wrench. Klein Tools has a solid reputation for high-quality tools, and the 05064 lives up to that standard. It's forged from heat-treated alloy steel, offering strength and durability that belies its size. This tool feels solid in hand, with no flex or cheapness to the build. It's clearly made to endure daily professional use. The plastic-dipped handle is a thoughtful addition. It provides a more comfortable grip, helps reduce hand fatigue, and adds a touch of safety by offering some slip resistance. The coating also makes it easier to spot in a crowded toolbox or job site environment. Despite its petite size, the 05064 offers extra jaw capacity, which is a rare and extremely useful feature on a wrench of this scale. It can handle a wider range of nut and bolt sizes than you'd expect, making it highly versatile for a mini tool. This wide jaw design is perfect for situations where you don't want to carry a full set of wrenches or need a quick fix in a cramped panel or appliance. The precision machined knurl ensures smooth jaw adjustment, and it holds the setting well without loosening during use. This is especially important in delicate or high precision tasks, where slipping or readjusting mid-job is simply not an option. Last in our best mini adjustable wrench list is Crescent 12-inch adjustable wrench. This wrench is forged from heat-treated alloy steel, providing excellent strength and longevity. The chrome-plated finish not only gives it a sleek look, but also provides corrosion resistance, which is essential for tools exposed to various work environments, including moisture-prone areas. The precision-machined slide jaw and worm gear are smooth and reliable, allowing you to adjust the jaw width quickly and securely. Unlike cheaper wrenches that can slip or fail to hold a setting, the AC212VS remains rock solid during use. The handle is ergonomically designed and fits comfortably in hand, even during prolonged use. The knurl, adjustment wheel, is easy to turn, but not loose, striking a good balance between adjustability and maintaining grip. This ensures you can make quick changes on the fly without the jaw drifting out of position. Another small but important feature is the laser-etched measurement scale on the jaw. It helps you estimate fastener sizes on the spot, which can be a real time saver in the middle of a job. One standout feature is its wide jaw opening, allowing it to accommodate a variety of fastener sizes. It eliminates the need to carry multiple fixed-size wrenches, making it especially convenient for tool bags or mobile work situations.